Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to mute notifications from a specific contact in WhatsApp Web. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Next, right-click on the desired chat that you want to mute notifications from. Step 3. From the options that appear, select Mute Notifications to temporarily silence notifications from that contact. Step 4. Now, you can choose the duration for which you want to mute notifications. You have the options of 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Step 5. Once you've made your selection, simply press Mute to apply the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully muted notifications from a specific contact in WhatsApp Web. Muting notifications from a contact can be useful when you want to avoid distractions or take a break from constant message alerts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp Web tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.